The violet ceiling drips into the sea. Everything is melting into sapphire lines, melting away into the deep blue. I see the spectrum cracking like glass. Mercury spills across the silver horizon. Look at the silver. Paint the day in plastic shades, every feeling is a different type of blue. Dissolve the mind into the prism, we are just vibrations in the light. Citrus waves are washing over the sand. A velvet pressure pressing on my chest, the sun is heavy like a copper coin. Time is rotating in a perfect circle round and round. Liquid chrome, the sky is falling upwards now, falling upwards.